Welcome to the Mayor's message of May 28, 2020. I'm Mayor Ron Jensen. As of Wednesday, May 27th at 5 p.m., Grand Prairie had 391 cases of COVID-19 in Dallas County with 12 deaths and 97 in Tarrant County with only 1 death, for a total of 488 cases and 13 deaths. You can track this information daily at gptx.org. And remember, we've set up a hotline for general COVID-19 and business recovery questions at 972-237-4465. And look at these downward trends for the number of new cases day by day, both in Dallas and Tarrant County. The 7-day rolling average is decreasing. A new free COVID-19 testing service for Grand Prairie residents and employees is now available both at drive-through sites and at home upon qualifications. This is open to the public who are symptomatic and non-symptomatic. If you can't come to us at the drive-through, we can come to you at home. Check our website to pre-qualify or call 1-888-766-6653 for an appointment. This service is provided by the city and it's free for people who live and work in Grand Prairie. The CVS Pharmacy drive-through window at 4203 South Carrier Parkway is now operating as a drive-through test site for people who are symptomatic or high risk. Patients must register in advance at cvs.com to schedule an appointment. Patients will stay in their cars in the pharmacy drive-through window where they will be provided with a test kit and given instructions. City Square Food is serving lunch to kids 18 and younger at the main library parking lot, 901 Conover, from 2:30 to 3:30, Tuesday and Thursday through August 6th. At this time, children must accompany parents and caregivers in order to get food. The Dalworth, Shotwell, Charlie Taylor, and Epic Recreation Centers are open for fitness only with restrictions. Libraries open this coming Monday, June 1st, with restrictions. We will continue to offer no-contact checkouts and personal shopping for those customers who should not be out in the public. Governor Greg Abbott issued a proclamation expanding additional services and activities that can open. Water parks, recreational sports programs for adults, driver education programs, food court dining areas within shopping malls, they all can begin operations with limited occupancy or regulations. And beginning Friday, May 29th, Epic Waters will open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. at 25% capacity, and health safety protocols will be in place. Go to epicwatersgp.com for details and advance tickets. Due to the park's lowered capacity, annual and season pass holders must reserve their admission online, or they can call 972-337-3141. Folks, we are continually monitoring state, county, and local entities to determine when and how to safely open all of our facilities. 2 of our more at-risk venues are Playground Adventures and the Summit. Both of these venues are designed for the user groups that are currently in the high-risk population for COVID-19. Because Playground Adventures is unique in its design and purpose, we monitor 2 similar playgrounds around the state. These are Dream Park in Fort Worth and Play for All in Round Rock. Areas of concern are how to achieve required capacities, social distancing, and how best to sanitize a venue that historically has been ultra popular in the community. Of the 60 cities in Texas we are monitoring, only a handful indicate they are contemplating opening facilities for active adults or senior citizens in June or July. The vast majority are showing closed, last to open. The governor continues to lead off his press conferences by mentioning those 65 years of age and older should continue to stay safe and at home. Currently, most cities are waiting for Governor Abbott to include senior centers in his opening orders. Considering the above information, both of these venues are recommended to stay closed until further notice. However, we will continue to monitor and adjust our recommendations accordingly. I can assure you we very much want all of our venues and attractions to open as soon as safely possible. After all, Grand Prairie just got ranked 8th best city to staycation in USA by Wallet Hub. That's right on the heels of ranking issued in March, ranking Grand Prairie as the number 4 happiest city in Texas, also by Wallet Hub. We highly recommend everyone who plans to go out to wear a mask, maintain social distancing, sanitize your hands, and please stay home if you're running a fever and are sick. The city's emergency medical system is celebrating its 20th anniversary. Here's a quick video from the fire department.
This year marks the 20th anniversary of when the Grand Prairie Fire Department assumed the responsibility for the emergency medical system within the city of Grand Prairie, which we commonly refer to as EMS. So we want to take the time to honor and recognize the roughly 250 members of the fire department, both uniformed and non-uniformed. We have over 200 paramedics in our department, and this means no matter who shows up to help, a fire engine, a fire truck, or even an ambulance, we will always have a paramedic, the first one knocking on your door. We are like other EMS systems in the country as we are a fee-based service. In other words, we bill your insurance for any transport to the hospital, and this fee brings in roughly $2.5 million to help offset the budget. The average taxpayer in Grand Prairie, based on a $200,000 home, pays approximately $3.90 per month for the readiness and availability of the EMS system. Keep in mind our service to our community is often delivered to visitors and people traveling through Grand Prairie, so we charge a fee to help keep the taxpayer assessment as low as we can. As a value-added benefit to our citizens, we offer a subscription program. For an annual fee of $75, and this covers every member living in your household, we will waive any out-of-pocket expense your insurance or federal subsidy does not cover for your medical transport. For more information on the subscription program, you can go to our fire department website or call our administrative office. Thank you for watching, and a heartfelt thank you to all of our medical responders as we celebrate our 20th anniversary. Stay tuned for more information related to our anniversary celebration later this year.
Our fire department continues to do a great job, and I want to personally thank all the staff for their excellent work during this pandemic and always, even before the pandemic. I can tell you the ambulance subscription program is a great deal and one that your family may want to consider. The cost of an ambulance ride is $700 plus $10 a mile without insurance. So if you use an ambulance once every 10 years, your subscription pays for itself. As we work towards reopening, let me reiterate, stay safe by wearing a mask in public, keeping 6 feet apart, don't touch your face, wash your hands frequently, and stay home if you're sick or vulnerable. Hey, I'll see you next week.